Hi, with me Dior. Now I want to unboxing the 1024 GB, which is 1 terabyte micro SD. It states here Huawei, but it's nothing here, so it's OEM. Yeah, what else? Let me closer. Three SD. Okay. Usually when OEM, don't use this, because the OEM one is actually will make your SD, your external your memory hard disk more slower. Unless if you buy the original one, then it's okay. Let's try the capacity. Let's pop up. Okay. Okay. USB drive. Okay. USB drive. Beautiful. There you go. It says 1.27, right? But it's actually 1.07. It's the same like the OTG thumb drive just now. Okay, let's say I transfer one song, what is it from? 5.35 MB. There you go. Can play. Okay, can. Okay. Yay! I'm so happy.